Hey guys, welcome to Motoroids. My name is Amit Changani and I am at Bajaj Chakan track right now. And what I have with me right now is the KTM RC390, the 2017 version. And although it's not a model overhaul, a lot of changes have been made to the bike, and those changes are pretty good and you can feel it on the racetrack. I had a fantastic session on the racetrack, about 10 laps, and the changes are very perceptible. So let's see, first of all, what are the changes that you can see with the eye. The exhaust canister, which was under the belly, has been brought to the side, and this brings the bike to Euro 4 compliance now. So this has also led to the increase in the weight of the bike by 6.5 kg. The rear disc remains the same, but the front disc is now bigger and it's now 320 mm. Another big change that KTM has made is that they have made the RVMs wider, so that's a very good thing from a practicality point of view. On the fairing, the orange color that you see now is, although you may not be able to spot it, but this is an all new electric orange shade which represents the MotoGP KTM bike, and it has made its debut on the RC390. So that's another big change. The front seat for the India specific model has been made slightly more cushy. The engine remains the same, the power output remains the same, but the torque output has gone up by 1 Newton meter. But the bigger change, I think, is the lack of vibrations on the bike. As we rode the motorcycle on the racetrack, we realized that the vibrations have gone down drastically, and since now it's a ride-by-wire kind of system, the throttle response is absolutely crisp. We absolutely loved the way this bike is responding to the throttle now, and the tires and the overall experience on the racetrack with the power coming in and everything was absolutely fantastic. The RC390 was always an amazing bike, but now with all the changes made, it feels all the more special. It feels more refined, feels a bit more racy. Another small thing that these guys have done is something called EVAP, which prevents the fuel from evaporating and going to waste. So it lends the bike a bit better fuel efficiency. So in all, the price has been increased, but a few very nice upgrades have also been made. The KTM RC390 for the 2017 version comes across as a much better bike, and if you are just going by the looks, don't just go by that. You ride this bike and you'll realize that the changes are under the skin, and it feels much better, much more refined, and much more practical. Signing off now. Thanks a lot for watching Motoroids, and we'll see you soon again. Oh, just a second, wait for a second. We'll just make you hear the exhaust note as well before signing off.